Here are the top 5 AI stocks that investors should consider. The first one is Alphabet Inc., which owns Google and is heavily investing in artificial intelligence technologies. The second one is NVIDIA Corporation, a leading provider of AI hardware and software solutions. The third one is Microsoft Corporation, which has made significant advancements in AI with its Azure platform. The fourth one is Amazon.com Inc., known for its AI-powered products like Alexa and its investment in machine learning technologies. Lastly, there is Baidu Inc., a Chinese tech giant that specializes in artificial intelligence and is often referred to as the Google of China. These stocks offer investors a unique opportunity to tap into the growing AI industry. Stick around, like, and subscribe so I can explain to you why these are highly favorable AI stocks. Alphabet Inc. is one of the best AI stock investments because of its vast resources and expertise in machine learning. As the parent company of Google, Alphabet has been at the forefront of AI research and development for years. Its subsidiaries, such as DeepMind, have made significant advancements in areas like natural language processing and computer vision. With its strong financial position and commitment to innovation, Alphabet is well positioned to capitalize on the growing AI industry. Google sets itself apart from competitors with its strong focus on user experience and its ability to leverage large amounts of data. Through its search engine, Google has access to an extensive dataset that it can use to train its machine learning algorithms. This allows Google to deliver highly relevant search results and personalized recommendations to its users. Additionally, Google's AI-powered products like Google Assistant and Google Translate have become widely popular due to their accuracy and seamless integration with other Google services. For example, when a user searches for a specific product on Google, the search engine leverages its vast dataset to provide not only the most relevant search results, but also personalized recommendations based on the user's browsing history and preferences. This enhances the user experience by saving time and effort when finding exactly what they are looking for. Moreover, Google Assistant utilizes its access to vast amounts of data to provide accurate and helpful responses to user queries, making it a reliable and valuable virtual assistant. Now let's dive into what makes NVIDIA's AI program so investment-worthy. NVIDIA's AI program stands out among its competitors due to its focus on developing powerful graphics processing units that are specifically designed for AI applications. The company's GPUs have become the go-to choice for many AI researchers and developers, as they offer exceptional performance and efficiency. Additionally, NVIDIA has made significant strides in autonomous driving technology, partnering with major car manufacturers to develop AI-powered self-driving systems. With its strong presence in multiple industries, NVIDIA's AI program presents a promising investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the future of artificial intelligence. For example, a research institution specializing in computer vision and image recognition has chosen NVIDIA GPUs to train deep learning models for medical image analysis. The GPU's exceptional performance enables faster training times, allowing researchers to analyze large datasets more efficiently and accelerate the development of advanced diagnostic tools. Furthermore, NVIDIA's collaboration with car manufacturers has resulted in the creation of AI-powered self-driving cars, which have the potential to revolutionize transportation and increase road safety by reducing human error. NVIDIA stock is currently trading at an all-time high, reflecting the growing confidence in the company's AI capabilities. Many investors believe that NVIDIA's leadership in graphics processing units and its dedication to advancing AI technology will continue to drive its success in the market. As more industries adopt AI solutions, NVIDIA's stock is expected to experience further growth, making it an attractive option for those seeking long-term returns on their investments. Some of NVIDIA's competitors are also investing heavily in AI technology to stay competitive in the market. However, NVIDIA's strong track record and reputation for innovation give it a definite edge over its rivals. Additionally, NVIDIA's partnerships with major tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon further solidify its position as a leader in the AI industry. With a solid foundation and continued advancements in AI technology, NVIDIA is poised to maintain its dominance and continue to attract investors looking to capitalize on the growing AI market. Microsoft Corporation is a top AI stock because of its strategic partnership with NVIDIA. The collaboration between the two companies has resulted in the development of cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions that are revolutionizing various industries. With Microsoft's vast network and resources combined with NVIDIA's expertise in AI, the company is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for AI technology. This partnership not only enhances Microsoft's competitive advantage but also solidifies its position as a top player in the AI market. One detailed example of the collaboration between Microsoft and NVIDIA is the development of autonomous driving technology. By leveraging NVIDIA's AI capabilities and Microsoft's cloud platform, the companies have created a powerful solution that enables self-driving vehicles to analyze real-time data, make informed decisions, and navigate safely on the roads. This innovative technology has the potential to disrupt the automotive industry and transform transportation as we know it. Let's not forget Amazon, with their advancements with Alexa and their development of delivery drones. With the integration of Alexa's voice recognition and artificial intelligence, Amazon has revolutionized the way we interact with technology in our homes. Additionally, their pioneering work on delivery drones has the potential to greatly improve the efficiency and speed of package transportation, transforming the logistics industry. These advancements highlight the continuous efforts of technology giants to push the boundaries and reshape various sectors of our daily lives. For example, with the integration of voice recognition and artificial intelligence, customers can simply use their voice to instruct an Amazon delivery drone to pick up and drop off packages at their doorstep, eliminating the need for manual input or physical interaction. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error in the delivery process. Furthermore, by using drones for package transportation, Amazon can bypass traffic congestion and deliver goods to customers in remote or hard-to-reach areas, making online shopping even more accessible and convenient. However, relying solely on voice commands may lead to miscommunication or misunderstandings between customers and the delivery drone, potentially resulting in incorrect deliveries or lost packages. Additionally, using drones for delivery raises concerns about privacy and safety issues, especially in densely populated areas or near sensitive locations. There are still many factors to consider since Amazon does not solely focus on technology but uses technology to assist daily life. The company Baidu Inc. rounds off our list. The most technologically advanced corporation in the economy, which is the second largest in the world, is something that should not be ignored. In recent years, technological breakthroughs in China have been led by Baidu Inc., namely in the area of artificial intelligence. Baidu has been able to create novel solutions for a variety of industries, like autonomous driving and healthcare, thanks to the deep learning algorithms and sophisticated image recognition systems that they have developed. Because of their dedication to research and development, they have been able to stay ahead of the competition and keep pushing the limits of what is possible in the technology business. It is impossible to understate Baidu's significance and the impact it has had on the landscape of the global technology industry as China's economy continues to expand. One concrete illustration of the ingenuity and originality of Baidu's solutions is the company's partnership with businesses that specialize in the development of advanced driver assistance systems. Baidu's technology is able to effectively detect and classify impediments on the road by employing the company's deep learning algorithms. This makes it possible for self-driving cars to be safer and more efficient. This innovative application of artificial intelligence has the potential to completely transform the transportation industry while simultaneously lowering the number of accidents that are the result of human error. It is important to consider the potential ethical concerns and safety issues associated with relying solely on deep learning algorithms for obstacle detection. This is because these algorithms may not always be able to accurately interpret complex real-world scenarios. Although Baidu's collaboration with autonomous driving companies is impressive, it is important to consider these potential concerns. The company Baidu Inc. rounds off our list. Hopefully this summarization of the market's hottest AI stocks was enlightening to you and gave you a better understanding of where our technology is directed, as this marks the newest technological wave that could be as revolutionary as the internet. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to check out the perks that come with becoming a member.